Hi, this is us. In 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 Unique Treasures, and we're at the end so that you can find stuff and sell stuff. Even you can get other stuff. And if your washing dryer is broken, you can call me, and you can call us if we're not here.
That is an awesome sales pitch. Adult translation. We're here in Unique Treasure showroom at ATeam Appliance Sales, and we have here a Maytag, very high-end Bravos gas-powered dryer. Gas is one of the best ways to dry your clothes. It almost feels like you're drying it outside. Sorry, drop the Iron Man. Pick Iron Man up.
It's fine.
Very clean. And you probably fit at least 2 comforters in there. It's very, very huge. So, yeah. Okay, you can come find this at Unique Treasures in Snellville, Highway 78. All the information will be listed below. Next we have is your GE dryer, super capacity, heavy duty, and is very quiet. GE is designed to be very quiet. This is an electric dryer. You've got your time dry settings, easy care settings, and also cotton dry. So this is great for those with those, especially easy care settings. That's great for delicates.
Papi?
Yeah, hang on. Yes?
Hi, and washing and drying is going to put clothes in there just in case it's dirty and clean to make it clean, like a hot.
That is a great idea. Thank you. That does do that. So here we have a Whirlpool super heavy duty, super capacity dryer. Multiple settings, auto sense setting. Auto sense setting is great because you set it and forget it. So you basically
turn it
put it on your more dry settings for your towels and your jeans, anything else right in the middle, and basically automatically would turn off the dryer when the clothes are dry. Automatically senses. Compared to time dry, you're kind of guessing. So that saves you on your electric bill. Also has a no heat setting, which is a flush setting. So you just want to run cool air through maybe your delicates or something that may be a little bit damp. You have something to say?
Yeah.
What's that?
If you need your clothes to wash, you can put it in a washer and dryer.
All right, so that's a little advice from our expert here. And huge on the inside, again, super capacity. Good for your comforters, good for your towels and jeans, good for large families. And again, this is also available at in the Unique Treasures building, ATeam Appliance Sales. Any closing statements, guys?
If they don't have you, if you need another one, you can call it, or if they have another one that you need, you can come and get our Unique Treasures.
Awesome. ATeam Appliance, more importantly, but yeah.
How do those plants here and treasures here that like there's waters on the front door of the table and even in a turtle. This appliance and this washer and dryer is okay for you to have a friend. Thank you.
All right, there we go. We're here from the experts once again. Again, this is ATeam Appliance inside the Unique Treasures building, Highway 78 in Snellville. You can call us at 678-615-8317. You can call or text 678-615-8317, and we'll see you next time.